Hello everyone, welcome to Slay the World Bombas and Manja. Now we at Event Sky Dining Kuala Lumpur for the one food and fabulous distancing ceremony for Man of Malaysia 2026 second edition. Next level. Oh my god, we are so excited to see who gonna be our representative for the next international stage. Alright, so we have here the reigning king, none other than the Mr. Cosmopolitan from Taiwan. Sean, how are you?
Very well. Mm. Kero is good.
It's wonderful. Okay, next we have Mr. Cosmopolitan from Indonesia. Candy, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So, how are you?
I'm so fine. All right, so we have the reigning king of Men of Malaysia first edition and also Mr. Cosmopolitan Asia 2025. None other than ID Fikri. How are you?
I'm fine and thank you so much.
Okay, so right now I want to ask from all of you. All right, what's your opinion about all the contestants that coming for the session ceremony today?
I want to say my opinion. They are really great. Thank you.
Wow, I think for this year, for Men of Malaysia, I can see for the all contestant is very agreed, very tall, and have all the contestant have potential. Not just one or two, but all the contestant have potential. And I hope who the next man of Malaysia or Mr. Cosmopolitan 2026, I hope can do the best and don't forget to help the heart is gentleman and have soft heart. Yeah, thank you.
Hai semua. So untuk my opinion untuk kandidat tahun ni, saya tengok diorang memang kena dengan Man of Malaysia the next level sebab diorang semua memang great. Memang semuanya penampilan yang sangat-sangat baik. Thank you.
Okay, next question. Okay, maybe you can, both of you can share with us your experience for the charity event at the orphanage home, right? So maybe can start from you.
I like to meet kids, so they are lovely.
Me and son, we met the kids on the charity and Yayasan Yatim Piatu, and so I'm with son. We are really happy, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Very
and
enjoy.
happy. So we are enjoy to meet the children, but my heart is very sick because not the kids have mother or father, but we can to on the charity and to helping and share the story and talking with the kids, and so me and son, we are to really happy and enjoy to meet the children.
That's a wonderful and so touch my heart when we talk about the orphanage kids, right? Unfortunate kids. All right, okay, next. I did. Maybe you can share with us as you be a reigning king of Men of Malaysia first edition. So what kind of tips that you would like to share to everyone that competing for the second edition to be a winner like you?
Hi everyone. So tips yang boleh saya bagi kepada mereka yang sekarang ni sedang bertanding adalah jadi diri sendiri. Be real you dan be confident. And then korang buat je sehabis baik, keluarkan apa yang segala yang korang ada, jangan simpan-simpan. All out. Sebab ini adalah competition. So macam mana pun korang kena all out. Okay? Good luck.
All right, this is such a wise, wonderful wish from you. Such a good advice from all of you. Okay, thank you so much for having yes, Sean, Mr. Cosmopolitan 2025, Mr. Cosmopolitan Indonesia, Candy, and also our reigning king man of Malaysia, and also Mr. Cosmopolitan Asia, and another than ID Fikri. So again, and best of luck to all of them. Bye bye.
Bye.